Hello, if you're looking to pick up Kachin language, it is just the right podcast for you. This podcast is for Kachin away from our homeland, for friends from different parts of Myanmar, and for global friends. Just for your information, the language here is in fact Jinghpaw, one of the Kachin languages. We're going to make why question, but this time with adjectives. Just for review, the question word for why is Parmejo, and we need rai at the end of every WH question. The pattern is Parmejo, adjective, rai. Let's learn the adjectives. Late, pankrat ai. Sick, maji ai. Angry, mad, bot I. Afraid, scared, crit I. Worried, sung I. Sad, yawn I. Beautiful, som I. We can now construct the questions. Parmejo pankrat ai rai? Why are you late? Parmejo pankrat ai rai? Parmejo maji ai rai? Why are you sick? Parmejo maji ai rai? Parmejo bot ai rai? Why are you mad? Why are you angry? Parmejo bot ai rai? Parmejo crit ai rai? Why are you scared? Parmejo crit ai rai? Parmejo yawn ai rai? Why are you sad? Parmejo yawn ai rai? Parmejo som ai rai? Why are you beautiful? Parmejo som ai rai? You may have noticed that in Jinghpaw language, it is very natural not to have subject and object. So if you want to specify who you are talking about, then you can add subject and object. Nang parmejo pankrat ai rai? Nang parmejo pankrat ai rai? Why are you late? Nang parmejo ngai phe bot ai rai? Why are you mad at me? Nang parmejo ngai phe bot ai rai? Nang parmejo shi phe sang ai rai? Why are you worried about her? Why are you worried about him? Nang parmejo shi phe sang ai rai? That's all for this episode. Dear friend, if you want to know any word or any phrase in Jinghpaw, please write it down in the comment box and I will try to include them in the next episodes.